saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way, and it's kinda strange. Don't even know your name. I don't know you.
Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another all day clean with me. In today's video I am going to be focusing on a very realistic clean to help motivate you to get everything done.
I don't know if you know yet what's all around.
This video is going to be slightly different to my normal all day clean with me's because I'm not going to be going from room to room. Instead I'll be going from job to job. There's just a few chores that really need doing, so I thought I would bring you guys along with me and hopefully this will motivate you to do those odd jobs in your house too.
Left with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you.
So I did make a list this morning as all of the chores that I'm doing today are a bit all over the place. I've made sure to write everything down so I don't forget anything, and I did start by putting a wash load on, and now I'm just going to go through and sort out the living room. As you can see, I've already got a pile of laundry in the laundry basket just waiting to be folded. That was from yesterday, so I am really behind, but I'm just going to sort out the living room, make it look a little bit more put together, and then crack on with the laundry.
All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love, coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck, coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck, trying to steal your hand, coming to get you, coming to get you, coming to get you. Coming to get you.
So as you know, I never do any ironing ever, and on the rare occasion I do, it's never recorded because it's just that rare. But today you are going to see me iron clothes for the very first time on this channel, I think, just because I took all the clothes out of the tumble dryer last night and didn't put them away. So now they're all creased and ruined and need a good iron. So I'm just going to go through, fold the ones up that are fine, and separate the ones that need ironing. I think it's only a few t-shirts that need doing, but I'm going to put the rest of this away and then crack on with the ironing.
Trying to steal your hand, coming to get you, coming to get you, coming to get you. Coming to get you. Get up and let's face it, no need to erase it, 'cause memories make you strong. Breathe in and get going, breathe out and stop moaning. You gotta get out and try, 'cause when you lose, you learn the bumps along the way, but you'll never run out of trying. And when you lose, you learn the letting go of love will make you a better man. 'Cause life goes on for the lovers. Yeah, life goes on. It goes on. Yeah,
Okay, so I don't know why I don't do more ironing, because I really enjoyed doing this. It was really therapeutic and quite calming in a way, and I could have just stood there all day doing the ironing. So I'm definitely going to try and add a little bit more ironing into my cleaning routine, hopefully at least once a week, even though we don't really have that many clothes that need ironing. But I will try and add it in, because like I said, it was so relaxing and I would love to have this as part of my cleaning routine.
Life goes on, it goes on, it goes on. Life goes on. Yeah, life goes on. It goes on. Yeah, life goes on.
So I couldn't stop staring out of the window when I was filming this, and I had to change the camera angle because my neighbour was actually outside doing something to his car, and he doesn't know that I do YouTube videos, and I thought if he could see the tripod setup and just see that I'm filming myself doing laundry, it might look really weird. So I did get a little bit self-conscious and had to move the camera so he couldn't see it, and then I'll move it back again when he went in. But yeah, that is why I kept staring out of the window.
Everything's about to come my way. Nothing can ruin my day. No matter what anyone does or say, I smile at fools. No, I don't care, cause I am on my way up, and I won't stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop, it is my time. Cause I know what it's like to be broke. I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up, I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up, I won't slow down. I'm strolling down the street with all of my favorite songs on repeat. I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way, and I don't care if you spill coffee on me or if the sky is gray or blue. No, I don't care, cause I am on my way up, and I won't stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop, it is my time. I know what it's like to be broke, yeah. I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up, I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up, I won't slow down. Like to be broken, and I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm just gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day.
So now I've put a wash load in and I've done the ironing, it is time to do my next job, which is sorting out my makeup brushes because they are so gross and my skin has had a really bad breakout lately, and I'm using different exfoliator and moisturizer and everything just to try and get it to calm down. And I realized I haven't been keeping on top of my makeup brush hygiene, which is so important, and when you see them you're going to understand that they're disgusting. So I did read that using shampoo is the best thing to clean them with, so I'm just using my normal shampoo and hopefully it will clean them. But you could see on that beauty blender and my foundation brush that it's just caked on, so hopefully we can get them looking something like new. Okay, so I am so impressed with this. It's worked a lot better than I thought it would. I literally only did it for a few seconds and it comes straight off. I thought that my foundation brush was going to be stained just because I've been using it for so long without cleaning it, but it actually came back perfect, good as new. The tips were white again. It was amazing. So I definitely do recommend that you use shampoo to clean any of your makeup products. So this was actually the most satisfying thing I have done all day. It just bounces back. I couldn't help but constantly squeeze it and watch it bounce back. Mine is a Real Techniques beauty blender. If you have any other brand, please don't try this at home. I really don't want to be the reason why you ruin your beauty blender, but I just couldn't stop squeezing mine and watching it bounce back. But obviously some won't bounce back, so try not to squeeze them too much when you're doing it. But it definitely worked. It definitely cleaned it. It is still stained though, but I'm still really happy with the results. So I'm now moving on to the shower because, as you can see, it is so gross and this shower screen is in desperate need of some TLC. I'm using the washing up liquid and the white vinegar like I usually do in the ensuite shower as well. It just makes it so sparkly and it's so easy and satisfying to rub it over. You leave it on for about 10 minutes and you rinse it off and it just comes up so shiny and you don't really have to do much scrubbing, which is what I love about it.
Just come running by. Pictures of sunny days with your smile in the park. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. Try to be cool, even wear that shirt you want.
So now I'm finished in the bathroom. I've headed downstairs and I'm going to crack on with the hoovering. I do try and hoover at least every day or every other day. I think it makes the room look bigger. I think I said this in the previous video. It just makes everything feel fresh and airy, and for some reason it makes the room feel bigger to me. So I do try and hoover as often as possible.
How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine.
I really hope that you are enjoying today's all day clean with me. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do consider subscribing with the button below, because it really would mean the world to me to have you here, and also leave this a thumbs up. But I just decided to do something slightly different in this video, because we don't all have time to do the whole house or to do room by room. Sometimes you've just got to do job by job. So I thought I would bring a little bit more of real life into this video, and at the moment I need to now go through and do the patio doors, because we painted the gate outside yesterday and I've only just noticed that there are actually paint splatters all over the door, so I need to get rid of those because we don't want a speckly patio door.
Watch out, the small world is closing in, no doubt. You've been in some nasty pain, but I'll shout right until you really hear. No way, I will let you dig your hole. I'll stay tickling your bored out soul, and we'll play pretend if it'll get you warm.
So I'm really glad that I decided to do the doors on this day, because I wasn't actually going to do them and I didn't know that the paint was on them when I started doing them. It was literally a spur of the moment. When I realised they hadn't been done in a while, I thought I'd give them a quick wipe over, and that's when I saw the paint. So I'm really glad that I decided to do them when I did.
Then take your blank spaces, we could be a splash of paint.
So I'm now just going over the windows with the Method spray in the scent of mint. It is so beautiful. I absolutely love this. So yeah, it makes the whole thing smell amazing. Definitely recommend it. You know that I am a huge Method fan, but I keep forgetting how good this smells because I don't do the windows that often, but the mint one smells amazing.
Relax, my dear, we'll climb. The view is really great up there. I know we can be a splash of paint in a world that's otherwise all gray. Take me by my arms and say it's the first to color things this way, and you aren't tired.
Thank you so much for watching today's realistic clean with me. I really do hope that you found all the motivation that you came looking for today, and that it has helped motivate you to do the odd jobs around your house as well. I am going to leave some more videos on the screen here for you, and I will see you back here in the next one.